Okay, to kick things off, I first designed this rack within Vectric Vcarve Pro. The reason I emphasize the Pro part is the Pro version has the ability to create multiple sheets I've done here. As you'll see, I have a test fit, vertical, horizontal, and then cut sheet. So what I do here is I work out the joinery. What I wanted was a compression fit. I wanted to be able to put a screw in here for the mount. If somebody chooses to do that, I needed to find a nice relief for the screw head. So I worked all that out on the test sheet, and then I moved that joinery over into the various components, the vertical and then the horizontal piece. Once those were completed, then I would then copy those over to what I call a cut sheet. And this is where I try to optimize my sheet and hopefully make all of this in one cut with one tool change. As you can see right up here, this is the do not cut zone. It's something that Vcarve Pro has, as well as a few other their products. And it basically says manage keep out zone right here. Frankly, I don't see that being a problem with this project. I was testing it out because the way I had this, the path going, it would start here, end here, and then start here, end here. So the idea that the tool would be going over my clamps was remote. But regardless, I put it in there just for, I guess, fun. So here we're over on the CAD side of the Vectric software. What I like doing is before I save the tap file or G code, just let it run one more time. Make sure it's running in the order that I anticipate. All of the tabs are present. It's easy to forget those, and your work starts to fly all over the place. As you can see, it works out pretty well. Here's the through joinery. So I've created a mortise and tenon joint, basically, and this will fit inside of here. Then the pockets will come in. It's the last thing to be done. As you can see, pockets here, dados, in other woodworking fields. So as I say, this right here will fit as a compression fit into this and then sit down within these dados, providing a pretty secure joint. So anticipate this being a problem over the years, working itself loose. Okay, so let's take this out to the shop, shall we? Okay, we're in the CNC room. So we're busy cutting out the horizontal pieces. There's the dado as well as the mortise. There's the tenons. That the idea is to create a compressed fit there. Again, won't take you through the entire process, so we'll get over to the assembly table. Okay, we have the parts off the CNC now. It's ready for assembly. Just to kind of recap, a couple of goals was to make a project that was functional. I think we accomplished that. It's a hat rack. It's you can hold 15 different hats, baseball style hats. We've created a product that's easy to assemble, and we'll see that in a little bit. One that's stable. So once assembled without glue or nails, it just pretty much stands on its own. So I think we've accomplished that. How do we do that? Well, first of all, I just pointed out this holds up to 15 hats, so there's the functional part, but as well as the mortise and tenon here. So just want to hold this up. Hopefully you guys can see that. So we have our mortise here on the right, and then the tenon on the left here, as well as this dado. So once this actually fits inside here and it compresses down, we have a very stable joint. Hopefully you can see that on camera. Um, it's joinery that's been in place for hundreds of years, thousands of years. There was a time when the glue, if it was available, wasn't very good. So the craftsmen relied on uh, this type of joinery, a compress and fit, and just letting the wood work for itself as it relates to the joinery part. So let's get, I just started to assemble this, as you can see. I was going to say, and it fit in just very nicely. Let's put the other ones on and see how this assembles up, huh? So here we go. Going together nicely. Okay, well, I think that's pretty strong. Yeah, not going to go anywhere. There we have it. Uh, it holds 15 hats. It can just stand on its own without any nail or glue. You can mount it using the screw holes. You first mount it to the wall and then mount this afterwards. Or double-sided tape would work just fine, so you could actually remove it. Or just find a hanger for it. So if you could take it from your home to your motorhome, take it with you camping, you hang your hat. So there it is, our finished product. I'd want to thank you for watching this video, and if you made it this far, I appreciate it. Hope you found some value in it. You'll notice that I don't have any sayings on this. The one that you see on the beginning of the video has some sayings like, here's your hat, what's your hurry? And that's lasered on here. That's another step that is not part of this video. If you'd like to see how I did that, I'd be happy to show you. Just let me know in the comments. And again, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. So thank you for allowing me to spend a little bit of time with you. It's been good. Thank you.